Hello people. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to scrape a website to get all images and their captions. This is a general setup, so by the end, you'll be able to apply it to any website. It downloads a website, like Wikipedia, and filters the content based on certain conditions, outputting the results to a table dat. For now, I'll use this website. Try to inspect the source to see how it is built up. The image and its caption is inside a div, so we have to find the img tag and the class WP caption text for the caption. To display the images, use a movie file in top. Additionally, I set up a zoom effect. For the text, I use a select dat they goes into a text top. I think it looks cool to just overlay it with an ad. To download a website, use a web client dat. Put in your URL and fetch that mofo. The web client comes with a callback that can respond to the given code. You can iterate, filter, etc. Basically everything with Python. In this case, I want to iterate and output the images and text into another table. I called this table image_URLs. Let's get to the heart of this tutorial. If you know code, it should be pretty self-explanatory. The function is inside the image parser class. I call this class inside the onResponse callback. Here I have some variables to store attributes. The handle_starting is getting called by HTML parser every time there is a msrc. Here are some conditions to filter out unnecessary elements. Handle_endTag is a method automatically called by HTML parser whenever onHTML end tag, like div or p, is encountered. Handle_data is called for the text inside the p class equals WP caption text greater than, and collects the caption while self.in_caption_p is true. After all that is done, whoop it into the image_URLs table. Neat. This slider controls a ramp LFO chop that I'll show you right now. It feeds a const chop in case you want to control it manually. That gets multiplied the amount of rows of the image table. The expression takes the LFO to change the start and end ramp values for the scaling. The movie file takes the LFO value and cycles through the images table rows. The 0 is to get the first column. The images have different aspect ratios, so I used fit outside to get the same ratio. The select dat is selecting the rows by index to get the associated text from the image. Then the text goes through a edge, blur, and threshold top to get an outline. I like the brutalist look of the visuals for now. You can go ahead and do all sorts of feedback, distortion, chopping to have some nice visuals. Thank you. I hope you're having a wonderful day. My new portrayal is out now, BTW.